So we've seen that we have an animal type, a dog type, and a cat type. Now, what do we do, or how can we put one in the other, or refer to one as the other? Let's use fields to explain the dilemma. Let's say that I have a field of type and an animal field, animal of type animal. I have a dog field, a dog, and I have a dog, and I have a cat. What have I defined here? I've defined three local method fields. One is called an animal and is of type animal. One is called a dog and is of type dog. And one is called a cat and is of type cat. Perfect. Now let's try assigning the animals that we've defined before to each and every one of them. So I can say an animal is equal A, which means I can put a dog in an animal. And then I can say an animal dot, and I will only see the things that are valid for animal. I will not see the watch house because my field is of type animal. And if I can say an animal, please describe yourself, we'll see Rex is a dog, watching carefully, have, Kitty is a cat, sleeping zzz, meow, Snoopy is a dog, and Rex is a dog. Because describe yourself was called on the field an animal that holds the instance that was defined with Rex. Okay, so we can take Rex, the dog, and place it in this variable, and it will still have the same one. And even if I'll call a function like make sound that we know is general to all animal but specific to a dog, we will still get the specific implementation because of the override syntax we've used before. Rex is a dog, Kitty is a cat, Snoopy is a dog, and Rex is a dog, and its ID is 1. Again, watch, we're having the same instance, even though that one was in the field A, and the other one was in the field N animal, those are still the same, this is still the same dog, they're referencing to the same instance of the dog class, and it will do have, because that's the implementations that the dog does to have. Great. Now, I'm sure we can also put a dog is equal to A, because of course A is a dog, and now we will have the watch house. But what we can do is put a dog in a cat. Okay? This is because they don't match each other. Even though they have the same ancestor, they both inherit from an animal, okay, they still cannot be put, you cannot put a dog in a cat because those are two different classes. And even further than that, I cannot put in a dog an animal. Even though a dog is an animal, okay, not every animal is a dog. And that is why we cannot place a class of type animal in the add dog field, which is of type dog. So when we try to put an animal in a dog, we get this error. Just like when we try to put a dog in a cat, place a dog in a cat, we will also get an error. Let's try to build this, and it will not build. It will give us a build error where it says, I cannot convert animal to dog, okay? And I cannot convert dog to cat, which means that our field in this case is of type dog and cannot accept an instance of animal as its value, and the same goes here, where our field is of type cat and it cannot accept a dog as its value.